Now, I'm getting a lot of questions recently about how to start with AI, image generation, chatbots, all of that, from people like my parents, for example, right? Because if you're not that tech savvy, it isn't that easy. There's a lot of products, a lot of them are still in beta, some of them are behind a paywall. So my answer to that question today would be Microsoft Bing. And I'm really surprised hearing myself say that, because I wasn't a big Bing or Microsoft user in the past. But they are pushing ChatGPT into all of their products recently. So if you're just on Bing.com, for example, their standard search engine, you have basically Bing Chat all over the place. There's a button here, there's a button there. You can probably just start talking with it here as well. So we're just clicking on this and you're right into the chatbot. This is ChatGPT 4 with a lot of its features, right? It has image recognition. You can upload an image here. It can tell you what's going on that. It can make images for you. For example, let's just tell it, make a picture of a snowman holding a sign saying Bing in a comic style. Because this is a little different than other image generators. You can talk to it. It understands your context, right? A person holding a sign, something like that. And if you don't like the image, you can also now talk to it about what you want to change, right? So here we have our snowman, easy peasy. It has never been that easy to use AI, and it's all for free. A lot of us already have a Microsoft account, I assume. And something else I want to show you is they also build it into the Edge browser directly now. And I've never used Edge before, but this is really useful. Let's say we go to a magazine like TechCrunch and we're reading some articles, right? And maybe I'm a little lazy, I don't want to read all that. Well, I can just go here, because Bing Chat Copilot is built into the browser now, and it can read the website I'm currently working with. So I could just ask it something about it, or maybe just talk to it, right? Please give me a summary of the article I'm reading right now in less than 100 words. And go. I believe it can also talk to us. Let's wait for that a second. Thinking. Voice takes a little longer.
The article you are reading is about Google's update to its generative AI chatbot Bard, which will now be powered by Gemini, a new AI model that Google claims will significantly enhance its capabilities.
So this is super cool, right? You have the chat agent right with you in the browser, and it can work with the information you have on the screen right now. I think this is something nobody else really provides right now. It's all built into the Microsoft ecosystem. If you're a Windows 11 user, I think a lot of these features have come into your operating system right now. I can't speak to that because I'm still on my old PC here. I'm building a new one, and with the new one I will try that all out. But yeah, my recommendation for everybody who wants to just get started with AI, Bing.com is probably the easiest way to do this now. And with that, Utopia signing off.